This skid behind me is for the M1, M2 project in Seaport. This is one of the largest projects in the Seaport area. It's comprised of 3 condo towers, 2 floors of retail space, and 3 levels of underground parking.
What makes this project unique is this mechanical equipment skid was designed in 5 separate components to all be interlocking. So we have not just the water heaters on the skid, but we have the full mechanical room on the skid, including the overhead piping.
I started the Seaport M1 skid as a conception and just roughed it out. I made a little bit and manipulated the blocks around to get it to where it fits. From there, it went into a final design and to fabrication.
The new technology being used on this project is our T-drill automatic cutter and our T-drill S54 machine that will automatically pull T's and extrude fittings. The most important part about the label portion of that machine is that you're eliminating the handwriting that would have to exist. You're able to cut a bunch of pipe and easily sort it afterwards. We're also using BIM 360 glue for the guys out on the shop floor to be able to reference the overall design and check measurements for quality control later on.
The prefab assembly, it takes about 3 to 4 hours to get in, installed, set, and ready to start finishing up work. Without prefab, an assembly like this behind me would take about 4 to 6 weeks to build on site.
When I started here at Cannistraro, it would take us 2 weeks to complete a heavy floor of distribution water piping. And now we have the capability with this equipment to be able to cut and prep all this pipe before it gets assembled within 4 days.
I was actually the guy that was using all those machines probably over a year ago, so I've run all those machines and I know the difference from doing it by hand and running that machine. I think years ago things were always doing the same thing all the time, and now a lot of new stuff coming up, so you're kind of built on change.
I see that people tend to get stuck in their old ways. There's always things changing in every business, but in construction specifically, the technology that's being introduced each year will help you overall save time, and that ultimately saves cost.
I'm definitely proudest of the team. Nothing makes me happier to see everybody else smile and the accomplishment of getting such a large-scale project completed on time.